guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a bow. I'm going to make two different bows, one that's just a loop on each side and another one that's a little bit larger. So here we go. I'll start with the smaller bow. I have a snowman ribbon and I take the ribbon, I leave a little streamer. You can leave the streamer however long you want, and then I pinch it, make a loop, pinch it again, and then I take the ribbon, I twist it around, pinch it. I'm going to take my piece of wire and put it in the middle, bend it over, and then twist it tight. You have to make sure the wire is twisted very tightly, otherwise your ribbon is going to fall apart. And then you just fluff it out, and there we go. So there's the small bow. Now we'll move on to the larger bow. And again, same thing, leave a streamer, and then make your loop, pinch, make your loop, and twist your ribbon around to make your other loop, pinch it, make a loop, again, twist, pinch, twist, and pinch. That's basically the basic steps to making a ribbon. It's just to twist it around and pinch. Loop and pinch and loop. And then leave another streamer on the other side. I'm going to grab my wire, which I picked up a package on Amazon. And once again, in the middle, pull it tight, and twist that wire to hold those loops. That is definitely a key part of it. And there we go. And then all you have to do is fluff out your bow. And the key to bow making is a lot of practice. Once you get comfortable holding it, twisting and pinching, you can be a pro. And then this, I think tomorrow I will use and put on a wreath that my daughter is going to be decorating for Girl Scouts. Well, thank you for watching. I hope that helped. And please like and subscribe. And we'll see you again next time.